Pataniscas? That's all I have to say about that. I'm scared it's in my teeth. All right, guys, let's do this. All right, cool. So, Kalisa Marie, that's my name. We are going to make some saltfish fritters or codfish fritters or stamp and go. They go by all those names, but basically it is a salted cod fritter. It's delicious. And I'm gonna try and like do this overhead video, so we'll see what happens. So we're gonna start with some oil and saute a whole bunch of vegetables. That's gonna be the base. Oh, that's a lot of oil. Onions in first. Get that going. I'm gonna make it a little hotter. I don't think I did that one right. All right, so now we go boop, boop, boop. Hi. Oh wait, what? Again, scallions. Boop, boop. Garlic. Boop. This is really hard, you guys. All these overhead shot videos out there, they're not easy. Finally getting some sizzle. This is gonna cook, and we're gonna wait for it to sweat down. Hopefully it won't take a long time. Basically anything deep fried is delicious. That's all I have to say about that. And how we do that, you know, well, so it's salted, right? So you have to soak it to get all of that salt out. And now's when you taste it because you're like, okay, cool. The salt was removed. Oh yeah. And then be more deliberate about pulling it out, right?
Yeah.
Straight back. It's good. Could be a little spicier, but that's okay. Some people don't like spice. Yeah. All right, guys, let's do this. Baking powder. Saltfish. Don't be saltfish. All right, cool. So now that this is like this, we are going to add the seasoning with the saltfish, and then we like basically have our batter. Yes! All right, so we're combining it, and depending on how much liquid was left in our seasoning, then we'll add between 2 to 3 cups of water. Then, while this rests, we're gonna make sure our oil is hot. That's it. We're gonna do one because if the oil is too hot, then we'll know. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I got too excited. Who's setting a timer, Kalisa? Kalisa, did you set your timer? I mean, if this was real life, we would taste this first one and then check the seasoning, but like, nobody got time for that. No one can eat it because it might be raw. It'll be raw on the inside. It looks cute though, right? We're gonna see if it's cooked on the inside or if it's raw. Cause this came out, it's a little bit raw, but I'm still gonna taste it. Pretty good.
I prefer the ones, the Portuguese ones.
scared it's in my teeth.
And it's a wrap, guys.
Oh my God.
We're done.
I want to see what that looks like.